Hey everybody, this video is going to go over the topic quotient of two functions basic. So let's suppose we have the functions f and g is defined below. Find f divided by g of -5, or the quotient of f over g divided by 5. Of -5. Excuse me. So what does this mean? Well, we need to take our function f and put it on top of our function g. But there's some things we need to be careful of, so let's go over those as well. If we have f over g, that looks like this, 2x squared minus 7, which is f, over g, which is 4x minus 9. And since we have a expression on the bottom, we have to remember that can never equal 0. Because what happens if that equals 0? Well, we divide by 0 and we can't do that. So let's go ahead and add 9 to both sides. So 4x cannot equal 9. Divide by 4. So x cannot equal 9/4. Okay. So since x can't equal 9/4, that means x equals 9/4 is not in the domain of g, because I can't, the x values are my domains, and I can't plug in 9/4 or I'll get 0 on the denominator. Okay. Anything else I plug in will be okay. So any other number is fine. But what about the find f over g of -5? What do? Well, we can take this function and we can plug in -5. So we would get 2 times -5 squared. Now why am I putting it in parentheses? So I don't forget those negatives. Minus 7 over 4 times -5 minus 9. Okay, now all we have to do is we do some simplifying. So this is 2 times 25. Right? -5 times -5 is a positive 25. So that's 2 times 25 is 50 minus 7 over 4 times -5 is -20 minus 9. So we're going to end up with 43 over -29. Okay, and if you need to, you can reduce it, but this is an acceptable answer. Okay. You may have noticed we could also have plugged in -5 for f of x to get 2 times -5 squared minus 7, and then done the same thing for g of x, but that's basically what we did here, right? So that is quotient of two functions basic.